How to change your height in Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Roblox to the latest version. After updating, open up the application on your device. Now wait for the app to load. Now once the app opens, tap on avatar at the bottom menu of your screen. Now at the top part, simply tap on customize. Now simply tap on head and body. Now under sub-menu, simply scroll to the right and tap on build. Now simply scroll down. Now under body size, simply tap on this circle. Now drag it to the top center to increase the height. Now to make it shorter, drag this circle to the bottom. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.